Good morning, Jami, to all my loving children. This is Yoga LTA. Myself, Mamata Sindhasari. I am going to tell about the benefit of yoga. Yoga means to make body mighty, mentally fit also. Now, I am going to tell you the easiest and the best yoga called Padmasana. Padmasana means lotus. The size of this yoga is just like lotus, so it is called Padmasana. How it is done? Please see here. First and foremost, we sit and put the right thigh on left and left on right. And after this, the right hand and right thigh and left hand and left thigh. And after this, we can open our eyes or close eyes, no problem. But it is better to close eyes. By doing so, the meditation is done. And we breathe in and breathe out. By this yoga, you can keep your body mighty, and you can be also mentally healthy and wealthy, and you can also meditate yourself. Now, what is the benefit of this yoga? The benefit of this yoga is, first, by this yoga, anyone who does this can remove asthma and hysteria-like disease by doing this yoga. Secondly, this yoga makes mighty the digestive system. Third, by this yoga, the out of use or useless fat can be done out from the body. Besides this, by this yoga, oxygen full blood is also makes to reach in the body. And by this yoga, for meditation is very beneficial. पद्मासन उत्साह को बढ़ाता, मुखमंडल पथिल तेज लाता. It enhances zeal as well as also makes face lighting. Secondly, today you know that the problem of height is very common among the girls and boys. So now we're going to tell other very simple asana called Tadasana. This can be done by this. Stand straight on the ground and put both hands upper part of the head and stand on heel and take breathe and think after this in and out many times. By doing this yoga, height can be increased. Today it is very essential. With thanks to all of you, and are required to follow these two yogas told by me and make your body healthy and mentally also wealthy. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thanks you.